Hello everyone, welcome to my today's video PSM installation. I'm going to continue my CyberArk PAS Solution Lab 12.0. In previous lab, I have explained my topology and also installed the Vault, PVWA, CPM, and also integrated with my domain server 192.168.2.12 dc1.51sec-test.dev. So in this lab today we are going to install PSM. First thing, always check the documentation from CyberArk. Latest version is 12.1. I'm using 12.0 as an installation example today, but there's no difference comparing to installation process in 12.1 and 12.0. You want to see the install PAS solution on premise, not going to the cloud. There's a different process to install PAS on the cloud. PSM installation, there's a consideration. There's a bunch of things you need to consider when you're designing your PSM solution. There's a server sizing. You need to think about how many data you're gonna record it. How do you store your data on your Vault? You need to think about the licensing on your RDP. You need to think about multiple PSM. How you're gonna do load balancing? What the load balancing methodology? And do you need a PSMP? Do you need a PSM gateway? Also, you may need to think about PSM admin connect, PSM connect, those two users. By default, they will be on local, and you may want to base them into the domain level. So there's a bunch of things you need to think about it before you can start to do the installation. Here is another documentation pre-installation tasks. It required that you will be 2012 R2 or Windows 2016, and there's a patch, and also of course you need to have license, and then you need to have a user to allow you to do those following steps. We are using automatic installation method to do that. So here is an installation note. Read it, very important. And we are gonna use in the tools PSM auto installation.exe file to do that. In the tool, they will do following steps. There's a step numbers. For example, the first one is .NET 4.8, and there is more steps to show you what this tool are gonna do. And here is a command. You can use it to do installation. I'm gonna copy it since we're gonna use it. .NET 4.8 is a requirement. So I already installed it before I started recording this video, since it's just very basic. Run as administrator, and then next you can get it done. So let's start to do installation. You want to run command prompt as administrator. See installation automation folder. Tools is not in that folder. Tools in PSM auto installation tool folder here. Then we can paste our command here, and we need to change the Vault IP address. 2.21. We can check our Vault 21. Vault user, I'm gonna using administrator. Building administrator account. Start it. The installation hasn't been finished yet. It was failed during the registration process. The reason why is because the screen shows the screen kind of like frozen. I was pressing enter for a couple of times. When the installation wizard shows to enter password, so the password wasn't being entered, and then it was failed on that process. But it's okay, so we can do this. We can do manually registration with a password. We're gonna open the PowerShell window, run one of the following commands. Finally, the registration stage completed successfully. That's everything we need to do for installation of the PSM. So in our next video, we're going to show you how to use it, how to activate the PSM, how to onboard the account to use PSM to recording and monitoring the session. Thank you for watching.